What up, y'all? I got Sargent signature here. Go ahead and give it a pick. It's got this real nice bitting on it. Check that out. It's got 6 pins on the top, all standard drivers, standard key pins. Then it's got those little circles. Those are side pins. There's 3 on each side. And yeah, there we go. Top of the keyway, 50 thousandths turner, using a 0.4 millimeter deep hook from Multi-Pick. The feedback isn't very strong as far as not very pronounced clicks on the first few pins you set. It gets a little better as you go on though. You gotta get up through the side pins because they kind of come together in the keyway right near the top pins. That felt like a good one. Be real careful not to overset pins because it will definitely make the other pins drop. 4, 5. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to check the side pins with this half diamond. Oh, see, I pushed a little too hard and it made the core go kind of rotate a little bit, and so I lost some top pins. I don't think I was quite there. So let's check 1, 2, 3. Careful on 4 because it's real low. 5. Let's give 6 some attention here. If I can find it way back there. Alright, let's go back in here, check those side pins again. Be a little more careful this time. Alright, so got a little bit of movement. Should just need to hit 1, maybe 2 more side pins on the left. This is one of those locks where you can pick it off camera in 20 seconds, but then you get it on camera and it starts to take way longer. All right, buddy, where are you at? Who is it? Let's see here. Check the right, check the left, and there we go. So it was on the right. Now, it's picked, but then you get it to there and it stops because one of the side bars goes into the next groove and gets stuck. So let's see if we can get it to keep going here. Which side wants it? Let's see if I can just go back to the top here. Come on, big guy. I know you're here somewhere. There we go. All the way around to there. And we're back. Let's get this bad boy apart. So, it's got this little leaf on the keyway. I don't know if you can see that. It's not super pronounced. At first I thought it was just a little scratch on there until I looked a little closer. This clip is real thick, so I had to use some pliers to get it off. It is now on the floor approximately 8 feet away, which is fine, because I have it off. Stick in the key. Give it a little turn. There is a gap on the back of there, so I don't really think I need to shim it, but I'm going to just in case. Alright, I tried. You've seen it. So we have the sidebars on the bottom we're going to want to make sure we hold on to real good, because these little sidebar springs in here are some of the tiniest that I've seen. So I'm just going to let those drop out and make sure that the sidebar springs are still in there. And put that in there. Now we will take out the drivers here. And all the drivers are the same. They're not like balanced pin stacks or anything. There. And I'll go ahead and dump the little springs out here for the sake of being thorough. Alright, I think that's all of them. Take a look down there. You see the little sidebar channels on the bottom. Move those up a little bit, make room for our key pins. Don't slide on. 6, 5. Little 4. There. There we go. And now, let's turn this upside down here. Take a quick look and see that all our little springs are out there. I do not recommend taking these dang old little springs out, but they are in there. And we can see those are the capped off side pins right there. They, as far as I can tell, do not come out. And take a look at our sidebars here. They're both the same. They're very thin. I had a bit of a sad-ass situation where I pulled the key out without the clip on there, and a bunch of the stuff came dumping out. Luckily, I was able to recover, but boy, that was stressful. So let's go ahead and take this out and see. Yeah, I'm not going to really be able to show off how the side pins act. You can't really see in there anyway, but maybe, let's see. Take this out carefully. And make sure that we can see them in there. All right. Well, I appreciate y'all checking out the pick. And if I had any advice to give anybody, I would say just kind of be careful not to overset the pins since they're standard, and they do really good at functioning as, you know, like pretty easy to overset. And then also, as far as the side pins, I mean, they're kind of not even that big of a challenge. You just get in there and scrape at them with something that'll fit in the keyway, and they set. There's not any kind of like false gates or anything like that. And when you got it, be careful with those little baby side springs. All right, well, appreciate y'all. Have a good one.